Grilling the perfect steak is an art based on key principles. Know your doneness levels. Rare, 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium rare, 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium, 140 to 145 Fahrenheit. And well done, 160 degrees Fahrenheit plus. Use an instant read thermometer to check the thickest part of the steak. Choose cuts like ribeye or filet mignon for their fat, which enhances flavor. Marinades tenderize tougher cuts, while bone-in steaks retain heat. Look for even marbling for juicy results. Preheat the grill to 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Oil grates lightly with high smoke point oil. For charcoal, wait until coals glow with white ash. Season your steak with salt and pepper. Consider dry rubs or olive oil with herbs. Salt 30 to 60 minutes ahead for enhanced flavor. Grill the steak, searing for 4 to 5 minutes per side. For thicker cuts, use indirect heat to prevent overcooking. The reverse sear method, cooking indirectly then searing, ensures precision. Rotate the steak for grill marks. Rest the steak for 5 to 10 minutes under foil to redistribute juices. Prepare garnishes during this time. Top with compound butter for richness and always slice against the grain. Serve with chimichurri or grilled veggies. Finish with a sprinkle of salt or reduction sauce, a sauce made by simmering liquids to concentrate flavors and thicken, creating a rich texture. Use tongues, not forks, to prevent juice loss. Clean the grill while warm with a brush to avoid flare-ups. Keep a spray bottle handy for flare-ups. Use a thermometer for perfect doneness. Master these techniques to create the ideal steak every time. Enjoy. Grill and thrill.